You know, I don't know what we're going to do with the stapler.
Neither.
He's going to have to come out of his shell.
It's just too shy.
Way too shy.
I got a truckload. Now when you get it, you got something. So don't worry, 'cause I'm coming.
You know, we've done all that we can with him. We've tried to show him how to have some stage presence, how to move, to do something, just not stand there.
Think maybe we ought to hire someone to teach him.
I think he needs dance lessons.
Way, and I'll make it better each and every day. So honey, don't you fret, 'cause you ain't seen nothing yet. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man.
Poor boy does not have any social skills.
I was brought up on a side street. I learned how to love before I could eat.
I think that we need to show him a move or two.
When I stop loving, I just can't stop. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. Hey, just grab the rope and I'll pull you in. I'll give you hope. I'll be your only boyfriend. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like that, you know, like he's gonna have to move. If he's gonna play with us, you know.